Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the Realme C35 has enough power. A low battery can block normal boot. Once charged above 20%, remove any case or SD card to avoid pressure triggers. Press and hold power for about 10 seconds to force a reboot. This clears temporary glitches that commonly enable safe mode. If that doesn't exit safe mode, immediately use volume down plus power to trigger a different restart path, because the firmware interprets that as a hardware reset and may bypass stuck boot flags. Once the phone restarts, observe if safe mode persists. Safe mode disables third-party apps to isolate faults. You should identify recent apps installed or updated just before the issue began, because they often cause boot loops. Uninstall or disable those apps to allow normal startup. Make sure to clear cache for System UI and your launcher in Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Show System. This removes corrupt temporary files. After removing problematic apps and clearing caches, reboot normally to check whether safe mode is cleared. If safe mode remains after uninstalling apps, back up your important data because the next step is a factory reset which restores system defaults. You can do this from settings or use recovery by powering off, holding volume up plus power, then selecting Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This removes persistent software errors. After reset, set up the phone and avoid reinstalling suspect apps immediately. If problems persist, make sure to reflash official firmware or contact Realme support. This resolves deep software corruption that safe modes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.